I hope our last video was helpful and you learned a lot about credit reports and how to read them. In this segment, we're going to discuss what to do if you spot an error while reviewing your credit report. The credit bureaus are not infallible. There are many instances in which information is incorrectly reported to them by creditors, or they simply make mistakes when reporting consumer information. That's why it's extremely important to order your credit report from all three bureaus so that you can review them for potential errors. Remember, each bureau may generate reports containing different information, so it's very important to look at all three reports. If you spot an error, you should immediately report that error to the credit bureau responsible for listing the error on their report. In other words, if the Equifax report is the only report that contains an error, it wouldn't do you any good to contact TransUnion or Experian. You should notify the credit bureaus by sending a dispute letter to the respective addresses listed below the video on our website. The dispute letter should clearly set forth which part of the report is erroneous, contain a copy of the report with the error clearly marked or highlighted, and you should include any supporting documentation that you have to show the bureau that the error was misreported. Once the credit bureaus receive the dispute letter, they have 30 days to contact the creditor that reported the error and conduct an investigation. If the creditor cannot verify the information, the credit bureaus are legally obligated to remove the error from your report. One way or the other, the credit bureau should respond to you in writing with its final decision. If the bureau assures you that it will remove the error, it's very important that you request an updated report to ensure the error was in fact corrected. Your credit coach is well versed in this process and will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Well, that wraps up this unit. Now that you're a credit report expert, the next unit will walk you through how your credit score is calculated using the information contained in your report. Click the link below to continue.